Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for blogging step by step. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting with a fresh chat is helpful because it gives you a clean space to work in and keeps your blogging requests separate from any previous conversations. This makes it easier to stay organized and helps the AI focus clearly on the task you want it to complete. Once the new chat screen is open, take a moment to locate the message box where you'll type your request. Next, enter a sample prompt about blogging. This is where you tell Claude what kind of help you need. For example, you might ask it to generate blog post ideas, create an outline, draft an introduction, or help write a full article on a specific topic. The more clearly you describe what you want, the better the response is likely to be. If you already know your topic, include it in the prompt. You can also mention the tone you want, such as professional, friendly, educational, or casual, depending on your audience. As you type, try to be specific and direct. A simple prompt will work, but adding a little context can improve the quality of the result. For instance, if your blog is aimed at beginners, mentioning that can help Claude tailor the writing style and level of detail. If you want a list, an outline, or a full draft, make that clear in the same prompt. This step is really about giving the AI a strong starting point so it can generate something useful for your blogging process. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter to submit it. Claude will then begin generating a response based on the instructions you provided. At this stage, you can review what it gives you and use it as a first draft, a source of inspiration, or a framework for building your blog post. If the result is close but not quite right, you can continue the conversation afterward by asking for revisions, expansions, or a different tone. But the key action here is simply sending the prompt so the AI can start working. And that's the basic process for using Claude AI for blogging. Open a new chat, enter your blogging prompt, and press Enter to generate a response. With clear instructions and a focused request, this can be a quick and effective way to support your writing workflow.